Guys, welcome to a new video, and today I will be simply explaining how to use copy keyboard or something like it's whatever the app is called. Y'all get the gist. It's the app that you seen on TikTok. I'll show you an example. So basically, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use it because a lot of people can usually get confused on how to use it. So yeah, let's get right in the video. So, first, go to the App Store and look up Paste Keyboard. It's Paste Keyboard. See, your boy found out. Paste Keyboard. It's the first thing you look up. It's gonna be on Google Play. It'll be right there. Once y'all do that, open it. Then it's gonna be blank. It's gonna ask for some stuff. It's up to you if you want to confirm it. I ain't gonna control you. Up to you. Now, this right here. You click on the plus sign in the bottom right. Now you can choose whatever you want. You can choose any saying. Now I'm not going to use anything offensive because I'm not dealing with the consequences of that. Y'all can do whatever. Just don't go ham because I know many people will go ham using this. So I'm going to use the thing I already put, which is hi. Don't ask why I chose. I'm sad. Okay, I'm a sad individual. Anyways, you're going to be like, okay, I went to try to text my friend. It's not there. See, they made this complicated. So what you do is you go to settings, then you go to keyboards, and then it will say paste keyboard. Allow it because it's going to be turned off and it won't allow you to do anything. So turn it on and then allow full access. This will make the thing pop up so you can do it. Because if you don't turn it on, it's just not going to pop up. So now, how to use it, we're going to go to notes. Then once you in notes, you'll see this little globe in the bottom left of the screen. I'm probably going to zoom in on it. And basically, you click on it, and it's going to show you your messages. Now, the simple thing that you can do is simply click on it. Well, obviously, since I am in notes, it's not going to obviously just go through. So you would have to click this if you want to send it. And the pattern is you click on the message, then you send it. And you just go, just spam. Hi, Mr. Ray. Sorry. Someone take my phone. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. To go back, click on the globe again. And yeah, you back to your normal keyboard. Don't come too much. Don't tell your friends, okay, because if you get blocked, do not blame me. That is your fault for spamming them. You do whatever. But yeah, that's how the app works. Quick and easy. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all in the next video.